Good morning. Good morning, students. And yesterday we discussed about forms, and in that I discussed form is a way for collecting the data from website visitors. तो क्या होता है कि वेबसाइट विजिटर्स फॉर्म खोलते हैं, they fill the data. After that, they click on submit button, and after that, there is a script, and with the help of script, we can do different activities on the data. Suppose we can store the data in a database. So this is with the help of script. And what is script? It is a group of commands, small coding. It is called script. जो आप फॉर्म देख रहे हो, this is called front end. Look at here. What the term I used here, the form is called front end. फ्रंट एंड क्या होता है बेटा? इंटरफेस. एक होता है आपके पास बैकएंड. बैकएंड में क्या है आपके पास? देयर इज अ स्क्रिप्ट जो बैक में वर्क कर रही है, जो स्क्रीन के ऊपर नहीं है. तो बैकएंड में आपके पास हमेशा आप फॉर्म यूज करते हो with in HTML, but in backend there is script, and this script is in any scripting language. It may be in a JavaScript, VB script, ASP, PHP. Yesterday I discussed so many scripting languages. Okay. Now remember one thing. When we interact with the form, we fill the data and then click on submit button. In class 10th, we are limited to making the form, but we are not dealing with the backend. It means in upper classes, whenever you will be in a class plus 1 or plus 2, and then you will interact with backend. Till now, you are discussing only the presentation portion. फॉर्म क्या है? प्रेजेंटेशन फॉर्मेट जो स्क्रीन के आगे आ रहा है. ठीक है. उसके बैक में वर्क कैसे कर रहा है, कैसे आपका डाटा, सपोज you fill the email, you compose an email, you fill the to, from, message, everything you fill, then click on send button. अब after send button, the backend जो कोडिंग लगी हुई है, that is called backend. ठीक है. वो कैसे आपका डाटा ईमेल सर्वर में कॉपी होगा, स्टोर होगा, that is a different way, different method. Okay. So in class 10th, we are dealing with only front end. That is how we can create the form. Now look at here. Yesterday I discussed in form, it is a tag that identify that we are using HTML forms. In this form tag, there are different attribute: name, action, method. तो नेम में आपने किस फॉर्म को नेम दे देते हो, but because you are only for presentation purpose, if you give the name, there will be no any use. But whenever you are dealing with the backend, this name will be used. In that case, the name attribute is compulsory. Next is action. Action means on clicking on the submit button, your data will be go to the script. जहां पे स्क्रिप्ट बनी हुई है, यहाँ पे मैंने कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं बनाई, पर मैंने एक स्क्रिप्ट का पेज बनाया हुआ है, my web page.html. It means on clicking on that, उस particular web page में आप मूव करोगे. Method I discuss here, get method and post method. Yesterday I tried to give the difference between these two, but there is some problems. So here I am taking here, I take the name variable name here. इनपुट के लिए नेम को मैंने एक नेम दे दिया a, तो कंपोनेंट को नेम दे दिया. ऐसे जहां पे मेरा पासवर्ड था, तो मैंने नेम दे दिया इक्वल टू b, और जहां पे फादर नेम आ रहा था, name equal to C. So I give the name because तब तक मैंने input टैग को प्रॉपर्ली डिफाइन नहीं किया अभी तक, ठीक है। तो जस्टरडे हमने सिर्फ फोकस हमारा था फॉर्म के ऊपर, दैट्स व्हाई मैंने भी। तो इनपुट टैग attributes are type then name. Two attributes I have discussed of a input tag. I save this. I open the page. I fill here name ABC, password, father name, and click on submit button. बेटा ऊपर देखो इन स्टेटस इन एड्रेस बार यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट विजिबल है। ए को मैंने दे दिया था एबीसी, पासवर्ड दे दिया था 123 और सी को वैल्यू थी फादर नेम 4DDD। ये विजिबल हो रहा है। It means anybody can easily get the sensitive information. For example, look at here. I have given password 123. Totally visible here. So it will it can create problem. But in case this is the which method? Get method. But if I give the method is post, look at here. I save this. I refresh the web page. I fill ABC, password 123, father name 3 times D. Then I click on submit button. Look at here in address bar, there is no any information regarding this. So this is, it means post method is more secure as compared with get method. ऊपर की तरफ एड्रेस बार में आपके पास जो डाटा हमने सेंड किया वो विजिबल नहीं हो रहा। भूमिका, इज इट क्लियर? Akhilesh, unmute yourself. Akhilesh.
Yes, sir.
Beta, yesterday you was absent. Akhilesh, I am. Okay, later on I will discuss with you, beta. Okay. So post method is more secure as compared with the get method. यशित, इज इट क्लियर? यही आप कह रहे थे ना, ये इससे जो नेम एट्रीब्यूट्स है, इट्स क्लियर है बेटा?
यस सर।
ओके, नेक्स्ट इज now next is next important now yesterday we discussed in the case of your form tag, the different attributes are number one, name of the form, then action, the name of the web page that contains script जहां पे आपने मूव करना है, number 3 method, okay, which we have already discussed. Now number 4 is target. Target means whether you will open the same page in the same tab or in a new tab. Look at here. I open the web page. I fill the data. I click on submit button. With the same tab, the targeted web page is opened. ठीक है? If you want कि targeted web page किसी और place के ऊपर open हो, so look at here. I can give here target equal to in double quotes underscore blank. We have already discussed in the case of links. Save. So now look at here. I click on submit button. So look at here. Form ये भी web page यहाँ पे है. New the targeted page is open in new tab. Okay. So this is called target. And there is another attribute that is called number 6. That is called encryption type. So this is used in when your script is there, that then it is important. Otherwise, remember this is a encryption type. There are 2 types of encryption that is given in your book, but otherwise it is for practically this is not in your syllabus. Now we are going to focus input tag. So input tag is used to insert component. If I use input type equal to text, we can enter single line character, single line string, पूरी की पूरी alphanumeric value हम ले सकते हैं. But whenever I am taking input type equal to password, so your data will be behave like a password. It will not be displayed on the screen. In the place of that, disk will be displayed. ठीक है? तो screen के ऊपर disk display होगी. Look at here. So this is input type is equal to password. Now, in the case of your input tag, there are so many other things are there. जो हमारे पास attribute हमने use किया, first attribute use किया type. Okay, type of component. So ये आपके पास password भी text हो सकता है. It may be password हो सकता है. ठीक है? It may be radio for inserting radio buttons. It may be check box for inserting check box. तो आपके पास ये आपके पास component values हैं in type की. Okay, type may be text, password, radio, and checkbox. So second attribute of input, second attribute of input tag, that is name. Just like a name of the your form, here is the name of the component. So look at here. In the case of form, I have given here name A, B, C. This is not useful here, but whenever we will use script, तो वहां पे हम फर्स्ट जो कंट्रोल है उसको A से रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे, सेकंड को B से करेंगे, थर्ड को C से करेंगे. So this is name attribute. Here we give the name of the component. Next is value. So this is value. This is the initial value we want to give. Look at here. I give initial value in the name. In the case of your name, value So look at a value. Dinesh. I saved this. Now I refresh the page. Look at here. By default, name is automatically there. So I can replace this. But by default, Dinesh is there. This is due to the value attribute of input tag. Value attribute of a input tag. So we have discussed here type, name, value. Value is by default value, automatically inserted. We can replace this. Next is size. Okay, look at here. First of all, look at here in browser. जो आपके पास टेक्स्ट बॉक्स का साइज आप चेक करो कितना है, ठीक है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज दिस. आई एम टेकिंग हियर size equal to 5. I save this and I refresh the web page. ओके बेटा, ये टेक्स्ट बॉक्स का जो साइज है वो आपके पास डिफाइन है. दैट इज it specify the size is here 5. But 1 minute. So this is a width of your text box. So we can give up to 60 characters, but this is look at here. I have given here 3, but by default it means we can't. We can give here minimum is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6. तो 6 वैल्यू के लिए मिनिमम है यहाँ पे बनना ही बनना है आपके पास टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. इससे अगर आप कम करोगे तो लुक एट हियर, इससे ज्यादा इंक्रीज कर सकते हो. 6 से नीचे करोगे there will be no any effect. Look at here. Now you can increase it. I can give here 20. So look at here. I can give the 20 characters. Okay, like this. Okay. Next is attribute of input tag, that is max length. Maximum number of characters. जो आपके पास size था, that defined how the size of your text box, but maximum length, it means above that we can't insert the values. This is maximum size. Look at here. I give here max length equal to 5. Look at here. I save this. I refresh this. I enter. But after 5, look at here. I am typing. It is not accepting the value because it is a maximum length. So these are the attribute of these are the attribute of input tag. Now we have already discussed text to inserting single line text box. Password. It is similar to text box, but data input will be in the shape of display, will be in the shape of password. Then radio buttons. This is important. Suppose I want to insert here in the form one more button. Look at here, gender. So gender may be male and female. So for this, I use input type equal to radio, then male, then input type equal to radio and here female. I save this. I refresh the web page. Look at here, male, female. Both are selected. Now reason is whenever you will declare radio buttons, only single selection must be there. For this, remember one thing, remember my words. Whenever you give the radio buttons, take same name. Name equal to, suppose I am giving here name D, क्योंकि मैं C already दे चुका हूं ABC, तो कुछ भी दे सकते हो. Name must be same. Look at here, I save this. दोनों में से एक सिलेक्शन. So this is important. Ashima, Baljinder, is it clear, beta? Bhumika?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, beta. Now, one important thing. Whenever you are giving radio buttons, ठीक है, जब आपने रेडियो बटन देने हैं, उसमें आपने यहाँ पे जब हमने डेटाबेस के पास भेजना है, स्क्रिप्ट के पास, यहाँ पे वैल्यू जरूर लेना है. वैल्यू क्या जाएगा? जाएगी मेल. दिस इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ, बट व्हेन योर डाटा मूव टू द डेटाबेस, एमएसएसएस में जाके जो टेबल में सेव होगा, तो वैल्यू कौन सी सेव हो. इन द केस अगर आप फीमेल में क्लिक करते हो तो वैल्यू कौन सी सेव होगी, कौन सी आगे जाएगी? फीमेल. तो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, हियर वैल्यू इज इंपॉर्टेंट, नॉट नाउ, बट व्हेनेवर यू विल यूज द स्क्रिप्ट, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो टू एट्रीब्यूट, एक वैल्यू एट्रीब्यूट भी हमने डिस्कस कर लिया, इनपुट का, इनपुट टैग का वैल्यू, द वैल्यू व्हिच वी वांट टू स्टोर. इन द केस ऑफ टेक्स्ट बॉक्स, वैल्यू जो आप दोगे वो जाएगी आगे, but in the case of radio buttons we are not accepting any value, so value will go to the server, go to the database. One is male, in second case mein female. Now Yashi, difference between checkbox and radio buttons.
So in checkboxes there can be multiple selection. In
Yes,
radio box,
good,
there
good.
will be single selection.
Yes, good beta, very good beta. Suppose I am taking here qualification, and in qualification we know that there may be postgraduate, so suppose maybe a person is a a graduate as well as B.Ed. Okay, qualification I am taking here input type equal to checkbox. Okay, and then I take here suppose MA, yeah, MSc, and then I take input type equal to checkbox, here I take B.Ed, and then I save this. So qualification, I can tick on MA, I can tick on B.Ed. Both multiple selection is possible in the case of your checkbox. This is important. But remember, remember one thing, name must be different here. ठीक है, name आपने different ले लेने. And the value which we can send to the script. Script में कौन सी value जाए? तो value MA and then value B.Ed. So this is your checkbox. So name must be different in the case of checkbox, but names are same in the case of radio buttons. Okay, there is a one more attribute of in the case of radio buttons and checkbox. Here is you can hear used here checked. It means by default when we open the web page, we open the form, the female will be selected, checked automatically. Look at here, I saved this. Look at here, checked. Look at here. So it is due to the which attribute? Checked. In the same way, in the case of checkbox, I use checked here. Look at here, saved. So this is another attribute of input tag. Now, so okay, students,